Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vera. I'm retired and I'm living a thrifty, frugal lifestyle. I would like to give you a tour of my place. So today it will be part 1. In a few days I'll do part 2. This is my hallway entrance. This cabinet was given to me by my daughter, but it was painted dark brown. So what I did, I stripped it off. I sanded, but I left I really wanted the top to be natural. And I store all my kind of, shoes, everything over there. Cords, phone cords, all the miscellaneous items. The mirror was given to me by my friends, so again it was black. I painted white, distressed, and it looks better now to match the table. I do lots of DIY project myself, and that's where I saved quite a bit of money. Now this chair as well was given to me on a marketplace I found. It's quite nice, good quality. It's quite heavy. It's children's chair. So again, I strip it off, painted, distress, and it looks okay. It matches the table. So if somebody comes in and want to put their shoes off when they leave, they can sit down and do that. I try to bend myself so I can stretch my back. So what I do, I keep a basket with my pumpkins here for now. When Christmas comes, I'll do something else. These candle holders I found many years ago. I remember I paid like $8 each, and at that time it was expensive, but I still have them. Now, here is my pantry, as I mentioned in my last video. Here is my closet where all the coats are here and shoes. Here is my bathroom. And this is the shelf, brown, so I'm tempted to paint white as well to do like a farmhouse style, so the entire decor is going to match in the hallway. And here I have another painting print, London print, so I have to, but I cannot find a frame, appropriate frame. And these ones are London pictures. All pictures were taken by me and framed. These ones, the pictures themselves, they're quite nice. I used to work in the hotel as a manager, and we were doing refurbishment and we were getting rid of pictures. So I took 4. I have somewhere one more. But the frames, I got them here. And I framed them in March when I came back. This is my bedroom, facing the mountains. This is my bed. The bed frame was silver, so I painted white to match the entire decor. Now these night tables, I bought them from Marketplace, but they were black, so I repainted them white, found handles on the street, recycled them, and I just attached to the drawers. The lamps I bought, I paid $20, but they were navy blue with gold. What I did this stone effect. I don't know if you can see it. And I like much better. Now, this trunk was given to me by a friend in London, but it was in terrible shape. It took me a while to strip it off, sand it down, put some stain, then varnished, and voila. I keep all my winter hats and gloves in that trunk. This stand used to be a lamp, so I took the lamp off and I made a plant stand, painted in black. The frames I found again from charity shops, these little ones, 3 French boards, but I had the frames, so I just glued them. I painted the background black as well to match the frame, and I attached this, and now it looks like a set. Okay, let's move to other corner. This lamp is quite shiny, so I'm waiting for probably spring. I'm gonna do stone effect on that as well. That stool as well, it's quite good quality. It's quite expensive. It was given to me back in London. Again, I brought to Vancouver. And how I was transporting the small items, instead of bringing a large suitcase, I was packing in a box because there are measurements which you are allowed. Then I was packing in the box, and around I would put clothes or something. So that's how I was getting my stuff from London. This armor I have like over 20 years. This is the view from my bedroom. It's facing the mountains. I'm on 18th floor, so the view is quite nice. Wow, look at those mountains, and the sky is like painting itself. At night, I really like at night because so much light. It's city lights. Sorry for my accent, I'm sorry. Again, the prints were from London. Somebody gave it to me. These ones I found, honestly God, probably 30 years ago. It was a charity shop in the book. I bought a book, and the book was quite large, and I didn't check inside. I saw the cover, I saw the book itself. It was like about a country, I can't remember what country. And inside, between the pages, I found these prints, and I really like them. Paris. Here we are walking to my living room. So that's my living room. This table I bought a few years ago, and it was in terrible shape. I painted white because I really wanted to brighten up the space, but I regret that I didn't leave the top natural. But guess what? Spring comes, I'm gonna redo the table. I'll redo the top and just leave natural. Here is the view from my living room. As you can see, that road, it takes me to the shopping mall, and it's quite a huge shopping mall. It's 10 minutes walk, so it's quite convenient. If I turn the phone, you cannot see, but there is another street which takes me to the park, 5 minutes walk, and the train as well. Once again, it's very convenient. The fireplace was burgundy, so I decided to repaint white. I haven't distressed the corners. I'm not too sure if I want to distress the corners. For now, I'll leave it as it is. These big candle holders, they used to be lamps, and I just made candle holders. These little pumpkins, I was walking in my neighborhood, and there was a house under construction, and they had lots of offcuts. I asked the builders if I could have some. Sure, no problem. They say you can bring the truck and take all of them. So I took a few and I painted them distressed, and here is collection of my pumpkins. Now these tables, please don't laugh, don't call me crazy, but I found them while I was walking in London, believe it or not. They were burgundy as well. So what I did, again, to bring them here to Canada, I took the legs off because you can take them apart, and they filled in my suitcase. And one year when I was coming for holiday, I brought them here, again, painted them distressed, and I have my nest tables. The books, people throw away books. They don't know what to do with them. That's what I do, paint them and make a piece of decor. This again, while I was walking, I found a broken chair, so I took the spindles, painted them, and here is a decor, fall decor. This large pumpkin, I used to have a blanket, so that blanket wasn't good anymore, and I made lots of pumpkins. Lots of DIYs in my house. Oh, this one is cute. This used to be a shelf. I had these legs for quite a few years, and I was keeping them because I didn't know. I knew one day I'll need them. So the shelf became a stool. All I had to do, drill 4 holes, and voila. Now my dining room. As you can see, I'm not a minimalist. I like my knickknacks. So that's my tablescape. That painting I bought, I splurged $70 when I came back in March. I thought, because I will be changing seasonal, so it's oil painting. So I thought, well, you know, even I do art, there is something you cannot do yourself. So that's my living room. Again, lamp, everything what you see there, small stuff, is from charity shop. The pictures, once again, from charity shops. I just painted the frames black. That's where is my kitchen. I'll take you on a tour in part number 2. Now this piece, it's a bar, was given to me by a resident who was moving to Dubai, and he says there is no need for me to have this in Dubai. If you want, you can have it. I'm forever grateful because it's a unique piece. Again, to transport, I took apart, put in a box, put in fragile section on the plane, and it arrived safe. These globes, they have lights inside, so at night I turn them on. It's quite cute. The pumpkins, all these pumpkins I did myself, because to buy them, they're not cheap. So I have my hands and I use them. This is our corn. Again, I created myself. My little shells. I was during the summer, I was walking along the beaches of Vancouver, so I came across to lots of shells. Some of them I left natural, but some of them I painted gold. And this one looks like a sculpture, mini sculpture. Now I'll take you to the balcony. It's a bit messy, so please forgive me. The balcony I wanted to decorate so I can have as an extension of my dining room. So when I have my dinners or lunches, I enjoy my little garden. I have a fountain, but now it's off because I need to tidy up. I wasn't here for 6 weeks, so I really need to get on with this. But just because I'm busy sorting things in the house, I thought I'll pick up a day. As you can see, the mountains and the sky is gorgeous. And if you see far away, That's where it's downtown. It takes me 10 minutes by train to get downtown. And the ocean is right there. And that's North Vancouver. And here is my balcony. It's quite long. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and give your thumbs up. Have a wonderful day wherever you are.